is Monday, and here I am once again with a video clip, and this time I have for you triangles and their classifications. So triangles and their classifications. So we are going to learn about the triangle, and we are also going to learn about their classification. This is on page number 187. Page 187, 188. Page 187 and on 188, what you will find is the triangle and the different types of triangle. First, it is important for you to understand what are the triangles. Any shape that is formed by three line segment is called a triangle. Any shape, one line segment, another line segment, another line segment. So three line segments, or this is three line segment, or this is three line segment. Any shape that is formed by the three line segment is called a triangle. So this is a triangle, and I have written the name of this triangle as A, B and C. So this is a triangle, first thing. Now you see line segment AB, line segment BC and line segment AC. These are all are called sides. This is a side, this is also a side, and this is also a side. So sides of this triangle are, this side is to be read as AB, side AB. Then this side is to be named as BC, this side BC, and this is side AC. So these, in this triangle there are three sides, and those sides are AB, BC and AC. Okay? The corners are called vertices, vertex, and the plural of vertex is vertices. So vertices of this triangle are vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. The corners are called vertex. So vertices are A, B and C. So these are the sides and these are the vertices. Now angles. There are three angles, three sides, three angles also. This angle is to be read as BAC or CAB. It is same. So angle A is to be written as angle BAC or CAB. It is same. So I write here angle CAB. Middle one is angle A. Then this is to be written as angle ABC or angle CBA. Angle ABC, and angle ABC means the middle one, B, this angle, and this angle is to be written as ACB or BCA. It is same, angle ACB. ACB means this angle, the middle one. So these are sides, angles and vertices. This is very important for you to understand. Sides, angles and vertices. Now interior points, if you have a point inside as D, your E, so these are inside the triangle. These are called interior points. D and E are interior points. Similarly, exterior points are, here you may have a point out of the triangle, F, G, anyway, here also H. So those points which are outside the triangle, out of the triangle, are called exterior triangle, exterior points. These are points F, G and H. So this is very important for you to understand. Dear children, these are the sides AB, BC and AC. Sides, the corners are called vertex, plural is vertices, vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. Angles, these A, B, C are the angles. A is to be written as BAC or CAB. This angle is ABC, angle ABC, and this angle is angle BCA. So I have written here. Interior points are all those points which lie inside the triangle. Those are called interior points, and the points that lie outside the triangle are called the exterior points. Here F, G, H. I suppose this is clear to you. Next we move on the classification of triangles. Now there are two bases on which we can divide the triangle. First is on the basis of measure of degree, and also on the basis of sides. On the basis of degree, see degrees are there. There you don't have degree. So on the basis of degree, we can divide the triangle into three different types: acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle. Three different types of triangles are there on the basis of angles: acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle. Acute angle means all the three angles of the triangle are acute. Acute means less than 90. All sides less than 90. All sides less than 90 degree. This is acute angle triangle, where all sides are less than 90 degree. Here you have 50, 60, 70. Remember, the sum of all the angles of a triangle should be 180. That means if you add 50 plus 60 plus 70, you should get 180. If it is not 180, then your triangle is wrong. Should not be more than 180 or should not be less than 180. The sum of the three angles of a triangle, any type of triangle, should always be equal to 180 degree. 50 plus 60 plus 70 is 180. 120 plus 40 plus 30 is also 180. 90 plus 45 plus 45 is also 180. Now come to this classification on the basis of the measure of degree. The first type of triangle is acute. In acute angle triangle, all the three different angles are less than 90. Sorry, all, not sides, but all angles are less than 90. All angles less than 90. That's an acute angle. If in a triangle, one of the angle is more than 90, one of the angles is more than 90 degree. If out of these three angles, if any one angle is more than 90 degree, then that is obtuse angle triangle. One of the angles is more than 90 degree, then it is a obtuse angle triangle. Then you have third type. Out of these three angles, if any one angle is equal to 90 degree, then it is a right angle triangle. One of the angles should be equal to 90 degree. Here you have one angle as 90 degree. The moment you see 90 degree, it is a right angle triangle. The moment you see one of the angles more than 90 degree, then it is obtuse angle triangle. And if you see all the three angles of triangle less than 90 degree, then that is acute angle triangle. Very simple. All three angles less than 90 degree, acute angle triangle. If one of the angles of the triangle is more than 90, then it is obtuse angle triangle. And if one of the angles is equal to 90 degree, then it is a right angle triangle. So these are the three different types of triangle on the basis of the measure of degree. These are the degrees: 120 degree, 40 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree. On the basis of such kind of parameter, we divide the triangle into three types, and these were the three. Now we have different parameter to divide the triangle. These are on the basis of the sides. On the basis of sides also, there are three different type of triangles. The first is scalene, then equilateral, then isosceles. Scalene, equilateral, and isosceles. Scalene triangle refers to those triangles where all the sides are different. All three sides are different. See, this side 1, 2, 3 means these are different. These are of different shape. So all the three sides are different. Then you have equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the three sides are same. They are equal. And also all the three angles are also same, which should always be equal to 60 degree. Clear? Then you have isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, you have two sides equal and two angles equal. In scalene triangle, all three sides are different and all three angles are also different. In equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal and all three angles are also equal. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and two angles are also equal. So these are the different type of triangles on the basis of measure of degree and on the basis of the sides. This is very important for you to understand in order to do the exercise. You have to listen, you have to write in a copy without looking or without referring to it, and unless you are perfect in this, you won't be able to answer the exercises. So it is very important for you to understand this. Once again, please see, on these are the sides, these three are the vertex, these three corners are the angles. How to write the angles is written here. These are the interior points, these are the exterior points. On the classification on the basis of the measure of the degree. If all three angles are less than 90, acute angle triangle. One angle is more than 90, obtuse angle triangle. If one angle is equal to 90, then right angle triangle. Now on the basis of the sides, three sides, all three sides different, all three angles different, scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal and all three angles are also equal. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, two angles are also equal. This is equal to this one, two angles are also equal. So this is the introduction to exercise number 10.4, and we will move on to exercise 10.4 only once you have understood this. Without a proper understanding of this lesson, of this explanation, you will not be able to understand the lesson. So please repeat this, listen to this for several times. Alright, now in the next video clip we will move on to do one exercise for today. Thank you.